Ever wish you could get salon-worthy highlights without the appointment price tag or the foil mess? Good news, you totally can, and we're breaking down every method so you can find your perfect match. First, why ditch the foil? Foil-free techniques give you softer, more natural-looking results that blend seamlessly with your base color. No hard lines, just gorgeous dimension. Before you start, let's cover supplies. You'll need a highlighting kit, gloves, a tint brush, and a sectioning clip. Simple, affordable, and easy to find. Now, for the fun part. If you love a lived-in look, balayage is your go-to. It's that dreamy, sun-kissed technique that's hand-painted for effortless results. For something more controlled and beginner-friendly, the cap method delivers precise, even highlights every time. Love subtle warmth? Baby highlights are delicate and perfect for fine hair. Want more drama? Chunky highlights make a bold, head-turning statement. A color melt gives you seamless, dimensional depth, and face-framing pieces instantly brighten your whole look. Whether you're going sun-kissed or striking, there's a method here for you. See all 9 styles at hairaid.com. Want to see how these look on you? Try it free at hairaid.com/try-on.